This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Where did I hide them? Where did they go? Oh, Sue! Interesting. Aha! You're painting here, huh?
Yes, why?
You see, I wanted to draw too.
Okay, grab a brush and join me.
That's the point! I can't find the brushes! Do you know where they are? I searched everywhere! Holy cannoli!
Actually, I have an idea. Come with me. Hi, guys! Today we're gonna make a very unusual painting. The result will surprise you.
Susan, are you sure we need such a big canvas?
Don't worry, Sammy. Everything is thought through. Go! I need space.
Ugh, well, you would know. Ugh, but I bet you need this.
Thanks! Your help is always right on time. And the main thing in every painting are paints. I need this too. And this.
I really like to draw with acrylic paints.
Yes, they're so bright!
You said we won't need brushes, so I brought some Q-tips.
I like it! You're right, it's possible to draw with Q-tips. Have you seen the video on our channel, guys? I strongly recommend you watching it. Trust me, you won't regret this.
So, Sue, are we gonna use them or not?
This time we won't need Q-tips either.
Sue, if it's not a sponge, I don't know what to bring.
Think more, Sammy.
Is it a painter's brush then?
Nope, I'll be drawing with my own fingers. The cool thing about paint is that you can mix any color you want using only red, yellow, and blue.
Susan, what about protection? I'm guessing there will be paints everywhere.
Guys, if you're not sure your hands are firm enough, you should put on an apron.
But you're gonna be careful, right, Sue?
The real masters don't need protection. Let's get started! We can even take 2 portions in one movement.
Minimum ingredients and maximum result, right, Sue?
Correct.
But what if you need to change the color? What should you do?
As always, you just need to change the brush. Let's draw a face. It's very easy.
Considering the colors, I can conclude it's a scarlet macaw!
Wow, Sammy! How did you know? I'm really impressed.
I'm full of surprises, Sue. You may not know this, but I'm an experienced bird watcher.
Where did you get so much time for all of your hobbies?
I'm able to look at 2 different things simultaneously, like a scarlet macaw can.
Wow, I could use this skill when I need to do my homework but I want to watch a movie.
Guys, stay tuned if you want to know what's next. Sue, it's my napkin! Say I'm calling Sue over! Guys, I need your answer! Do you copy?
Oh, I got carried away. Sorry. Oh, guys, would you look at how beautifully these 2 colors are mixing together? A quick life hack for you guys. If your paint is too thick, you can dilute it with water. But if it's too runny, you can mix it with talcum.
And talcum. Okay, I got it! I need to write that down.
Sammy, maybe you want to try this too?
But you're doing so great there! Guys, just look at those precise movements!
If we mix blue and white colors, we'll get light blue. This will add some volume and brightness.
Sue, how do you like my new image? I probably should look the part.
You want to make life brighter, as I see. It seems like I'm petting a canvas as if it's a hamster.
Yeah, Coffee's worried that we could bring a parrot like this one home. I guess you need this, Sue. Here you go.
Thanks! You always take care of me. What would I do without you?
I just don't want our painting to look dirty, Sue.
Oh, really?
Sue, stop! Jokes aside, we need to finish this craft.
Okay, why don't we add some dark hues at the sides like this?
Well, Sammy, it's just clay. You can try that. Shiver me cheddars! How do they actually eat this?
Sammy, what are you saying? Clay is inedible.
But I read that scarlet macaws eat clay! Ugh!
Yes, to neutralize plant poisons, they have special ferments for it.
Thank Jibba-Dabba I'm not a scarlet macaw then!
Guys, we're at the finish line. We'll see the result very soon. All we have left is to draw the bird's body and tail. The technique is absolutely the same. We take some paint and make strokes.
Sue, make room for me! I'm checking out the place!
Sammy, go away.
You don't understand! I heard that you need to buy a really big cage for a scarlet macaw!
Sammy, no. We've already discussed it. We're not gonna buy a scarlet macaw.
But it's so cute! Pretty please! Sue, let's have one!
I'll draw our parrot a tail, and it's not gonna be so sad not having him at home.
You're right. We already have so many pets. I don't want them to get jealous.
Phew, that was close.
Sue, did you know that there are so many macaw species and they are all so bright? Great green, blue and yellow, blue-throated. I want to draw them all.
I think Sammy's really enjoying making parrot crafts. Don't worry, Sammy. Now you have the technique, so you can draw whatever macaw you want. Guys, by the way, you don't need to copy me. You can choose your favorite colors for this craft.
There are so many beautiful birds in the world that we need to make a schedule. Let's see. Well, we could draw a colibri on this day. Here we'll draw a swan. And this day, maybe a sparrow. Oh, wait. No, let it be a mandarin duck.
Oh, Sammy and his vivid imagination.
Oh, Sue, how's it going with the painting?
We're almost done. I bet the guys can't wait to see the result. I think red will look great on the tail. If you agree, give us a thumbs up, guys. Painting with your fingers is a great way to spend time with your friends and parents.
Sue, can you sew me a hat? I need it.
Is it a dress-up day today?
I'm just trying to find a proper outfit for a Parisian exhibition.
What? An exhibition in Paris? When is it gonna be? We've got to draw a lot of paintings then.
Then you take care of the drawings and I'll choose the outfits.
In the meantime, we're making the last touches. Here we go. Woohoo! Guys, it's finally ready! I'm so happy! I totally love this drawing!
Wow, that's really something! Guys, do you want to see our beautiful craft in all its glory? Then follow me!
Well, Sammy, is this okay or not?
Let me see. No, I think you should move it a bit to left. Or not. I don't know. Let's choose another spot.
Okay. How is it now?
Interesting. Looks good, but let's move it to another place, please.
And now? Sammy, my hands are already tired.
Let's see. Up! It's great. This is the best spot of all.
Finally! I thought we'd never hang it.
Yeah, our picture is so cool. I could look at this parrot all day long. Elizabeth, where's everyone everyone going?
Oh, Princess! Today is the Royal Kite Show and Picnic!
Oh, a kite show. That sounds fun. Do you need help?
Oh, that's my princess, always thinking of others. No, I'll be fine. You run along and have fun. I'll be out just as soon as I finish folding these paper napkins.
Ah, Princess Billy, there you are. We've been waiting for you.
Wow! Those kites look awesome up there.
Those are Fiona and Truman's, amateurs. Wait till you see mine. They don't call me the Kite Knight for nothing. We're talking professional flying.
Yeah, more like professional blabbermouthing. What's that over there?
Oh, it looks like a whipster!
Whoa! Hit the deck!
My kite! It's ruined!
That's not the only thing.
My hair! Fiona, wait!
Billy, Fiona will be okay. We've got a bigger problem to deal with.
We have to stop this whipster before it hurts someone. But we're going to need extra help. Oh, Zsa-Zsa! Yes, Your Majesty. Oh, goodness. Who turned the fans on? Oh, no. That's a whipster, Zsa-Zsa. What should we do? What should we do? What should we do? I know what to do. Disappear!
Well, Zsa was her usual helpful self. We're done for.
No, we're not, Sir Kitty Cat. We are not giving up.
The whipster's heading toward the harbor.
We have to get to the harbor to warn Ed. Hurry!
Uh-oh. I should better hide the fish. Here comes the fish snatcher.
There's a
Nice try, but your distracting distractions won't work on me.
Look out! A whipster is headed this way.
What? That's the whippiest whipster I've ever seen.
How can we stop it?
Stop it? Oh, no. You don't stop a whipster. You have to tame it.
Tame it? You mean like a lion?
Yes, and the only way to tame a whipster is with a whip. Trust me, whipsters are terribly terrified of anything that even looks like a whip. Now, if you'll excuse me...
What do we have to lose?
But, who's got a whip?
Go! Uh-oh, be careful! A whipster's coming this way! We might have a way to stop it! We need a whip, quickly! Okay, there! That's all I got!
Let's get out of here!
No! I can't give up! It's my job to protect our kingdom! Ed said whipsters are afraid of anything that looks like a whip! And I guess this sort of looks like one!
Wow! You did it, Billy!
Yeah, we showed that whipster who's the boss. With a little swoosh and a little whoosh, we had that thing tamed.
Well, Billy did, but maybe you'd like to put on a gymnastics show for us now?
Not again!
It's an invasion!
Strange. They seem to all be coming from the same place.
nice.
You're right. It looks like they're coming from the Twin Princess's castle.
It figures.
We'd better go pay Marie and Antoinette a visit before Magic-y is ruined. Hurry up! Why is it taking you so long to blow up a gigantic balloon with that measly little pump? And you, no slacking off up there.
All right. All right. So, it's Bad Berry making those whipsters.
Oh, you found me out.
Do you have any idea how much trouble you've caused with those whipsters? They're so dangerous. Well, we want to take a balloon ride over your castle, but all those kites were in the way. So Bad Berry had to clear the sky up somehow. That's enough, Bad Berry. We're ready to take off now.
Yeah.
If you wanted us to make way for your balloon ride, you should have just asked us. Oh, Billy, don't you know by now? We don't ask, we just do. Besides, isn't it far better that we got to ruin your kite show too? Bye-bye! This is so much fun! Is that a Whipster? Truman, we've got to help the Twin Princesses! Make it stop! If I could just get close enough to the Whipster, I can tame it!
But it's so high up! You'll never reach it!
I want to get up! I'm not giving up! Sir Kitty Cat, I need you to fly your kite up near that Whipster. Do you think you can do it?
You bet I can. They don't call me the Kite Knight for nothing.
Okay, send it up there and whip that Whipster.
You got it.
How about getting us down now and make it snappy? Come on, Sir Kitty Cat. Well, we got what we wanted. Wasn't that great? Come on, let's go home. Which way is it? You're welcome! Good work, my kite knight. Let's get back to the castle. Fiona, you're okay.
Yeah, but these kites are trashed.
Mine is pretty banged up, too. So much for our kite show.
Well, I finally finished folding the napkins. Now we can all eat.
Elizabeth, would you mind if we folded these into something else?
Oh, as you wish, Your Majesty, but what are you making?
Paper planes! What a great idea, Billy!
Well, I figured if we can't have a kite show, a paper plane air show is the next best thing.
I'm so glad you didn't give up today. We're so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. Well, I'm not giving up on your helicopter. Look, I turned my paper flower into a propeller. I thought you might be able to use it for your helicopter.
Wow, thanks! I'll paint it and stick it on. It's gonna be great.
Hey, Billy. We ripped one of our posters. Do you think you could make one of those flowers to cover up the hole? Sure. We can even make it together. I'll show you.